guys, welcome back to Red Rivals. Today we are here with a fun video slash challenge and हाँ हमने setup change कर दिया है. So पीछे कौन सी top comment में जो video या clip आप बोलोगे non copyright या photo, we will play this for the next video. Let's keep it a trend.
But this is a permanent thing.
Yeah. जो photo या कुछ भी तुम funny बोलोगे, obviously nothing crazy.
Yeah.
We'll put this as the background. So
today we are going with a sort of trend जो TikTok पे काफी viral हो रहा है, reels पे for Indians obviously, and it's basically कोई भी kit आती है screen पे and the first player which you associate that kit with तुम्हें वो बोलना है, but हमारे में एक twist है and it's sort of a gay twist, but we're like मतलब हमें guess करना है कि what the other person will, what player that person will associate with that kit with. तो 10 kits हैं और we'll see
how well we know.
Yeah.
Are we red rivals or bad rivals?
This is just queer baiting, bhai. Like genuine.
But okay. So the idea is very simple. So first we'll go with Sam's kit.
Yeah. This is my first kit. Okay. Just to tell you, मतलब थोड़ा like it's not very basic. Like for majority.
niche सा है.
थोड़ा सा.
मैंने भी niche किया थोड़ा सा. I'm assuming this is 2016 kit.
Yeah.
What will you be thinking of? I'm just gonna say, मेरे मन में Adam Lallana आया for some reason.
That is correct. Norwich winner.
That's crazy. That's crazy.
Yeah, because मतलब मैं Liverpool देखता नहीं था ना, but मतलब वो देखा मैंने like 5-4 वाला जब हुआ था. I was like, bro, this Lallana guy, इसको देखना पड़ेगा.
Literally, the first name which came to my mind was Adam Lallana.
Okay, so you're like, 1 for 1.
Yes. Better. So this is my first kit. Just for reference, it is Ajax 2018-19 season.
ZH.
So do we give multiple chances or?
Let's give 2 chances.
Okay. No.
It's not real?
No.
2018-19 वाला ना?
हाँ.
Then it has to be Frankie de Jong.
Yes.
Yeah.
Nice. I mean, good one.
उसके अलावा फिर वो performative हो जाता है.
I mean, come on, Delict is also a fair shout, but good. So, yeah, we are 1-1. Next. Okay.
Who do you think I associate this
kit with? Okay. So, ये kit is. See, I have 2 names in my mind. So I'll just go with the one which screams this kid to me, and it is Olivier Giroud.
It is.
And the second shout would have been Alexis Sanchez.
Obvious.
Okay.
But मतलब वो broad shoulders, that scorpion.
Yeah. See.
So
I think ये हमको पूरा time वो careless whisper के background में चलानी चाहिए video. But हाँ, okay. This kid.
This is 2020.
No. 18-19. ये भी.
Okay.
Or I think it's 17-18.
17-18. I have 2 names. David Silva.
You have to make this one count. This one's the banker, like literally. मेरे मन में 2 player थे which were equally likely. So नहीं, I'm not gonna give you points. मेरे मन में अभी जो है वही.
17-18, right? I'm going Gabriel Jesus. No. Wait, did he not score the 100 point wala in this kit?
I don't know. मेरे मन में KDB था.
KDB. ठीक है, fair. But like not this kit for me.
Still,
ठीक है. So.
Next जाएगा तो आ जाएगी. Now this kit is so many players. Like not gonna lie.
That's the issue.
Okay.
No, but I still think it's thoda sa easy. This one.
Umtiti.
No.
Okay.
That's a good shout though. I can see that being for a lot of Barca fans.
यार नहीं. नहीं, what will Sam be thinking of? मेरे मन में वो फोटो आ रही है तूने भेजी थी ना मेसी वाली. वो डाल भी नहीं सकते YouTube पे.
हाँ वो नहीं डाल सकते.
Is this नहीं.
अरे बोल दे भाई.
Dembele?
No.
Okay.
Rakitic. See, the Rakuten gives it away for me. Like I just मतलब I don't know यार. It screams
My
Rakitic.
third guess would have been Longley.
हाँ that's मैं भी वही बोल रहा था कि like Longley तू बोलता तो
हाँ.
आधा point दे देता तुझे.
ठीक है. So both went 2 for 3.
2 for 3.
Fair. ठीक है. Next. By the way, like while I was like recording, like while I was like gathering the photos, मैं और मेरा एक दोस्त बैठे थे and like literally हमने सबसे पहले प्रकृत बोला था.
True.
Like shout out G.
Yeah, he
But,
ain't
like,
watching this.
He is watching this. Come on.
This one?
He comments on our videos. Like.
Okay, yeah, to be fair.
So apart from Prakrit, who else am I thinking of right now?
I have 2 names.
Okay.
पहले तो I'm going Kai Havertz.
No.
But it has to be Declan Rice. Not?
No.
Who then?
Odegaard.
But I don't see it.
मेरे मन में तो handball आया.
I don't see it.
Saka would have been a fair shout. But ठीक है.
So my next kit.
Phil Foden.
No.
Gundogan.
No.
John Stones.
No.
What?
Aguero है वो. I mean, like you like I don't know. मुझे तो पहला नाम Aguero आएगा ये देख के.
Damn. Comment down below if you agree with this or not. Like
the swimming pool kit, the reflection वाला.
That's why मेरे मन में Phil Foden है ना. Cause
Phil Foden मुझे
breakthrough season था उसका यार, if I'm not wrong.
हाँ, it was. But Gundogan और Aguero मेरे लिए.
ठीक है. कोई नहीं. 2 for 4.
This is hard.
See.
Wait, remind me which season this is. 2021, na?
Yeah.
So.
No, 21-22 है.
21-22 है. This is Luke De Jong.
No. See, this is like you may not get it off the top of your head, but once I say it, it will make sense why.
If it's not Luke De Jong.
Now don't say Brathwaite.
No, I won't. Sergio Roberto. Oh shit, कौन है?
Sergio Aguero.
Oh damn, yeah.
It makes
sense. To be fair, it does.
And the other name shout would have been Jordi Alba.
Jordi Alba. Mine. This is pretty obvious.
Neymar. Mbappe.
Come
on.
Bayern.
Hat trick, na. So 3 for 5, 2 for 5.
This is 20.
the same kid.
Same kid, oh? Wait, no.
It's mine only. मेरे को लगा तूने तेरी खोली मतलब I'm got for the same kid.
नहीं.
2017
है कि 2022 है?
22.
Benzema?
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, had to be.
Yeah. So 1, 2, 3 for 5. Both. Fair.
This is very easy.
Zaha.
I mean, obviously.
Come on, yaar.
I just had to throw in
some love for Zaha.
Okay.
3 points.
Henry.
Bergkamp would have been a shout, but it's fair. Myself.
What?
मेरे पास ये kid है ना.
नहीं. 5 points.
Messi.
अरे यार हाँ वही है.
Like
no, but देख मैंने इसलिए डाला क्योंकि this is a hot take, but this is the most.
Angel Di Maria.
No, you're correct. You're correct. Messi सही है.
I know, नहीं वैसे.
मैं वैसे बोल रहा हूँ कि this is my hot take कि this kit is the most messy kit for me. बारसा की कोई भी.
हाँ ना clean shaved Twinkie like वैसी.
Like him crying with his wife on the phone. Like ये kit, it's just too messy.
Fair. Okay, this one's a good one. 17, 18 या 16, 17 season है ये. But
16, 17.
I hope you all are also, keeping your scores in tally. You should.
16, 17.
16, 17 है, 17, 18 है, but either ways.
This-
थोड़ा
This is Aubameyang.
no. थोड़ा niche है, थोड़ा niche in it's not niche, it is a big name. But ये kid देख के, this is not like, he's not the player like you would think of. It's not Royce, like obviously.
So it's not the player you would think of.
Yeah.
So why did you put it? No, like it's very niche.
नहीं वैसे नहीं, मैं like I've not gone out of my way. मेरे मन में सबसे पहले
अच्छा,
नाम वही आया.
अच्छा.
Because of the recent events around that player.
Oh, you just gave it away. I mean Dembele है ना.
हाँ.
ऐसे क्यों बोल दिया
अरे
भाई?
क्या like मेरे को लगा कुछ ज्यादा ही नीच है डेम्बेले.
इतना भी नहीं था. मेरा अगला गेस वही था.
रोनाल्डो.
No.
इसको.
No. this kid screams Marcelo भाई.
Oh,
This is
freak.
Marcelo है ना.
हाँ.
हाँ वही.
I would have said Varane भी एक shout था, but
वरान अच्छा शॉट था.
ठीक है.
और लूकास वास्केस.
I don't remember, sir. School. There's two names in my mind. Oh, actually, there's only one.
Wait, this is 16, 17.
तुझे पता होगा, मुझे नहीं. It's your team.
No, this is not 16, 17. 17, 18. Martial. Depends on what season it is. Like, again, if I'm getting this wrong,
It is a disgrace.
I'm gonna go for Rashford. What?
Jesse Lingard.
Nah, I associate the
Black kid.
yeah.
But
नहीं, but like समझ रहे हैं ना?
I associate J Links. Like,
Very obvious.
Mario Götze.
Yeah.
मैं क्रूज बोलने वाला था.
हाँ.
Müller बोलने वाला था.
हाँ, that would have been good shot.
ठीक है. Yeah.
This is 2020,
2017.
2017.
16, 17.
Hamshik. वो
ये मेरे मन में मैं बस सोचा इंसिनिया या लाइक ऐसे
ना,
मर्टेंस
ना.
बोलेगा, बट लाइक फेयर इनफ.
I was there भाई. FIFA में भी था मेरे पास वो ऐसे 83 का कार्ड.
लास्ट किट.
Okay, this is very. I mean, पता नहीं. Like, you may not get this.
Okay, wait. Is it a defender?
ऐसे तो फिर हो जाएगा ना.
नहीं. It's not Ibra.
No.
हाँ, like Ibra तो नहीं आ रहा मेरे मन में देख के. Let me get inside the mind of Sam. If you all are actually, have a good sense of vision, it's just a mirror copy. So I think this kit is Juan Mata.
Yeah, it is.
Oh my days!
That's a good.
Oh my days! That's crazy!
टोपी मत फेंक भाई ऐसे. But nah, that's like that is the best call yet. क्योंकि that's very specific. Why it screams Mata like the.
It does. Mata and Matic.
Yeah, Matic फिर भी the cream one मेरे लिए.
I had to go for a Liverpool. I mean, obviously.
भाई ईयर बोल एक बार. 18-19 डिवा करेगी.
No.
भाई मेरे दिमाग पे तो वही आता है.
I mean, I know why this like fair, but like there's only one name.
Van Dijk.
Yeah.
हाँ भाई. Ballon d'Or robbery.
Do we have a mystery kid?
I have an extra one.
Yeah, that's the 11th.
So
Actually, we'll just tell you the scores right now. So, 6.
7.
I've gone 7 out of 10. And he has gone 1, 2. नहीं गया था ना?
हाँ.
3, 4, 5.
नहीं. कैसा है?
6. ठीक है. 6, 7.
We. हाँ.
So the mystery kid for y'all is this. Oh, this.
It's not a grand reveal, but
हाँ.
this kit is atrocious, by the way. वो क्या हो रहा है नीचे से?
देखो याद है हम लाइक वो
like-
माइक्रोसॉफ्ट पेंट पे वो करते थे लाइक एक सर्कल लिया देन वी प्रेस शिफ्ट एंड देन क्या तो ड्रैगन जैसे वो ड्रैग होता था वैसा लग रहा है लाइक इट्स जस्ट लाइक मल्टीपल टैब्स ओपन लाइक जैसे जूम में होता है ना मीटिंग के अंदर मीटिंग वैसा
And it's
है
like कि तुमने वो लाइन वाला ऑप्शन डिस्कवर किया, then you're just putting lines, thicker करा रहे हो, and में भाई we'll just fill it. ऐसे crazy हो गया पूरा डिजाइन रूम की भाई this kit just screams कि भाई तुम विला से 2-0 हार रहे हो होम पे.
एंड इसका आंसर हम अगले वीडियो के स्टार्टिंग में देंगे. हम इसका आंसर अगले वीडियो के स्टार्टिंग में देंगे. सो कमेंट डाउन योर आंसर एंड योर स्कोर्स इफ लाइक if you all beat us.
Tell us what kit like सबसे ज्यादा कौन सी ऐसी kit है जो like एक player से resonate करती है.
हाँ.
और which one you disagreed with.
Fair enough.
Maybe
And हाँ.
maybe तुम like Insignia को करो M6 ज्यादा. So
And that just screams कि तुम्हारी उम्र 13 साल से कम है तो like
हाँ. And वही like तुम वो बस article पे देख रहे थे.
हाँ, like तुम one football खोलते हो and like बस तुम FIFA knowledge है तुम्हारी actual knowledge नहीं है.
हाँ. Stake knowledge है. So it's a new FIFA.
Yeah. Stake
Bro,
knowledge है.
Madrid जीतेगी ना bro.
Osasuna versus Leganes over 1.5.
हाँ. Easy.
Easy 3 के odds है भाई. But like नहीं. So I hope this one's a short video.
Yeah, it is. I think.
It is actually good one.
So hope you all like it.
comment करना please.
हाँ. हम तो करेंगे ही.
दूसरे
दूसरे
बर्नर अकाउंट से जिस अकाउंट से ये वर्ड्स को गाली देता है मैं हकुनिया मटाटा को बट लाइक हाँ
वर्ड्स को तो मुझे जरूरत भी नहीं है लाइक द होल
ठीक
इंटरनेट.
है fair enough.
Okay, so that's it. We'll see you in the next video.
Yeah, we'll come up with more challenge.